Go ahead. Ready, go.
His name is Little Tim. I bit him in the pop tub and see if he can swim. He drank the water. He also now he's sick and bubbles in his throat.
Okay, now sing the other one. Apples.
Way high at the apple tree, 2 little apples smiled at me. I see that tree as hard as that too.
Who do you love?
Mama and Casey.
Mama and Tacy. Okay. Say your ABCs.
Say your name.